Friends, welcome back. Now we are going to see the posterior mediastinum. So we have finished this superior mediastinum. This one is superior mediastinum, and this one is anterior mediastinum, and this one is middle mediastinum. Now coming to the posterior mediastinum. Okay, so now we will see the boundaries of the posterior mediastinum. So anteriorly, so what is the covering? So this middle mediastinum consists of heart and its pericardium. So anteriorly it is covered by pericardium. Okay, and also at this level there is a bifurcation of the trachea. Here the trachea will come, and here the trachea is bifurcating at this level anteriorly. And also pulmonary vessels like pulmonary arteries as well as the pulmonary veins, and posterior part of the upper surface of the diaphragm. Posterior part of the upper surface of the diaphragm. So these are the things which are related anteriorly to the posterior mediastinum. So what are the structures related anteriorly to the posterior mediastinum? Anteriorly it is related to the pericardium, and also the bifurcation of the trachea and the pulmonary vessels. That means pulmonary trunk is giving pulmonary arteries, isn't it? So pulmonary vessels and also the pulmonary veins. Okay, and posterior part of the upper surface of the diaphragm. So posterior part of the upper surface of the diaphragm is related anteriorly to the posterior mediastinum. And coming to posteriorly, so the posteriorly it is related to the lower 8 thoracic vertebrae and with its intervertebral discs. So it is related to lower 8. So first 4 are related with the superior mediastinum, from remaining from 5th to 12th, that means lower 8 thoracic vertebrae and its intervening discs are related to the posterior mediastinum. And coming to on each side, that is the mediastinal pleura. Of course, so some lower part, so inferiorly it is related to the diaphragm, that means antero-posteriorly. So some the same part which is also related anteriorly and also the posteriorly, that is the diaphragm. And superiorly it is related to the superior mediastinum, that is the sternal line and sternal plane, we can call it as, that is an imaginary line which is separating the inferior mediastinum from the superior mediastinum. That line is related on the superior aspect. Okay, these are the boundaries of posterior mediastinum. So again we will see, so what are the boundaries? Anteriorly pericardium, bifurcation of the trachea, pulmonary vessels, and the posterior part of the upper surface of the diaphragm. And posteriorly lower 8 thoracic vertebrae and intervening discs. On each side mediastinal pleura, and also on the inferiorly it is related to the diaphragm, superiorly with the imaginary line. So this is about the boundaries of posterior mediastinum. Now we will see the contents of the posterior mediastinum. So we'll see from posterior to anterior. So the main structures are the esophagus, we can see here, esophagus on the posterior aspect. That means we'll see here almost all. So esophagus and descending thoracic aorta, you can see the descending so arch is present on the middle mediastinum, and this one is the descending thoracic aorta and its branches and veins are azygos vein on the right side and hemiazygos vein and the accessory hemiazygos vein on the left side. And also nerves are the vagus nerve and splanchnic nerves, and that is greater, lesser and least, arising from the lower 8 thoracic ganglion of the sympathetic chain. So on either side of the vertebral column we'll have this sympathetic chain. From this sympathetic chain, this lower 8 thoracic ganglia gives some branches called as vagus splanchnic nerves, vagus and splanchnic nerves. Okay, and also the lymph nodes and lymphatics. That one is the posterior mediastinal lymph nodes along the side of aorta. So along the side of the aorta, these lymph nodes are present, and also the thoracic duct. So these structures we can so some of these structures are also related or also present in the superior mediastinum also. So we are going to see the structures which are related to both superior mediastinum as well as the posterior mediastinum in the next video. Thank you.